Right, inside the drum it has a maximum diameter cast in, and it says 186.83 millimetres. We get the calipers and we measure it. That is giving me a reading of 175.2, which is not the diameter, because these calipers, they don't close up to zero on internal measurement. So we need to add that distance. You see that there? That's 10.2. So we need to add 10.2 to any reading we get. So that's 185.4, which is in spec. Part of the assessment criteria and what you're marked on is how you lay things out and saw things. If you just throw it all over the bench, you won't get a merit or a distinction. If you put it tidy and perhaps even label it, there was a young lady from Cobham who did it a few weeks ago. She brought post-it notes in and she labelled everything as she did it. So I think she wrote them out before. Helped, and there was photographic evidence of that. First thing you take off after that is the hut, so we need a 30mm socket on the breaker bar. Don't use a torque wrench for this. Just going to undo the big nut in the middle. Slide off this pub, and this is the faulty one, I think. The bearing comes apart. You see all the balls there? Because someone's jammed it under the skull axle. So we've got to be careful with that one. If I can get that thing off, I might put some heat on it. What we should do, after I've done this one and I do this one, all you guys come around this side so you can actually see what I'm doing, okay? Because I'm going to do that one and then I'm going to put them all back again. I'm going to put all the old bits back. Just for your benefit, what I can see there is that. Okay? I'm going to take these shoes off now. These are brake shoes. To do that, there's some clips that need to be released, and you need to get your fingers in the gap behind, pull a little clip out, and then catch it, hopefully. Got it caught now. Oh, what's happened there? There we go. That shoe's off. Take the springs out. There's two strengths of spring. There's a shorter, thicker one, and there's one slightly longer and a thinner gauge. That's a weaker spring than that one. The strong one goes on the bottom, the weak one on the top. These are easy to drop, these clips. And there's this little handbrake mechanism. See that? When this goes back in, be careful that these little slots are facing outwards, because you can accidentally sort of try to put it in that way. If you don't notice, then it won't work. So they need to face out. Wheel cylinder comes off next, and I'm missing something.